Buys Cars. This is my Volvo 850 TDI GLT that I've been restoring with the help of Lyndon, who is now my cameraman for the day. And this is a V70 2.5 petrol automatic 20 valve that I just picked up from Nottingham. I paid £500 for this. I paid £250 for that, but I have spent £2,000 restoring and improving that car, some of which has gone to Lyndon because today he's put my bumper on properly. But in this video, I'm going to show you the differences between the V70 and the 850, which are both on the P80 platform. Enjoy. So it's a game of spot the difference then. We have a 96 P-Reg 850 and a 98 R-Reg V70. They're both on the same platform, which is the P80 platform, but you'll notice that the V70 has a much softer looking front end, a softer face. It's losing that boxy, the classic boxy style that the 850 has. And for me, that boxy style is really what it's all about with these Volvos. But the V70, or V70 Classic, as some people call it, is a rather lovely thing in and of itself. It's got the T5 wheels on it, no sunroof on this one, but I can show you the distinct differences between the two. So if we first look at the 850, we've got, well, this one's got orange indicators, whereas they're clear on the V70. And the obvious thing is the rubbing strips on the bumpers and on the side of the doors is body colour on the V70, which gives it a slightly more grown-up look than the 850. I mean, when you put them side by side like this, you could actually say that the V70 is the better looking car. Controversial point, but I like the squareness of the 850. Inside, there is some key differences. Right, I have found something on the V70 that's better than the 850. The armrest. Look, it's got a proper armrest with a proper cup holder. So there we go. Bonus points for the V70. Everything has just been softened off on the V70. So inside on the 850, and I'm losing the light here, but I've got this classic sort of square look. Everything is very square, lots of angles. You know, this is a perfect rectangle, this is a perfect rectangle, lots of square things going on. Cruise control and everything feels sturdy on the 850, whereas there's a slightly more delicate feel to things on the V70. So door cards, slightly different, very sturdy. Got this classic Volvo door pull, whereas if we go over to the V70, which is in better light because it's under the spotlight, we've got this chrome door pull. We've got the window switches have been moved to the door, whereas they were in the center console on the Volvo. The mirror controls are now on the door as well. I love the way Volvo have one for each mirror on the inside. This one's missing a knob, but I don't know, there's just something more classic about the interior in the 850 compared to the new V70. Maybe at the time it all looked newer, maybe you disagree. Oh, I like that though. There's a tray there. Haven't got that on the 850. Different door pockets, different shape of everything. So it's essentially the same, but different. The Volvo's, the V70 dashboard is a little bit more sculpted. The buttons on the inside, again, look, everything is rounded. Everything has been softened off. And these, they don't have the same feel. It doesn't have the same sort of quality sturdiness that the 850's got. Even this, on the 850, it's a slider with distinct buttons on it. Whereas this one, I feel like I'm constantly trying to adjust it just from here to here. Whereas if I go back over to the 850, you'll see that it's actually staggered with buttons. It just, well, why did that need changing? 1, 2, 3, 4. How fast do you want the air? I only want it 1. Like, why did that need messing with? That just works. I don't understand why they decided to mess with that, but there we go. The back of the car is basically all the same. That's pretty much it, really, in terms of the aesthetics. This console, again, it's all slightly more curvaceous, and the heated seat buttons have been moved up here with the little ashtray. And there you've got wood on the inside as well. Some of the 850s came with wood, but essentially it's the same. Like I said, it's the same thing, but it's not the same thing. So the seats are the same, same cut, pretty much. And then in the back, yeah, all the same. But you see the door cards, different styling on the door cards. So it's a mild facelift, basically. I don't really like these lighter interiors. They don't hold up as well over time. And this one's a workhorse. It's high mileage, and it's all just slightly modernised, but not much. And there's lots of trim bits that are missing on this car. But there we go. I mean, that is really the key differences between the two. So my other car is also a Volvo, obviously, because it's there. So this one's just arrived today. Again, this has got a 7-seat conversion as well. I gave £500 for this car, and between the two of them, these two cars have covered well over 500,000 miles. So stick that in your pipe and smoke it, Greta. That's the very definition of saving the planet, because both these cars are still going. They've paid their debts to society and to the planet, and they will continue to do so because they will both be loved and used. So there we have it, a quick look at my 850 and the V70. Now I'm going to nick all the good bits off this V70 and put them on my 850 before I give this V70 away in a Geoff giveaway. Should we go and have a very, very quick look at this Cosworth? Let's see if Lyndon let us have a look at his Cosworth. Oh, it's a Cosworth. Can I have a quick look at your Cosworth? Yes. So how long have you had your Sapphire Cosworth?
7 years.
7 years.
It's not in a very good state.
Not in a very good state, but still a Sapphire Cosworth, isn't it? And you bought at the right time, didn't you, from what you were telling me?
Just before the market went up.
Just before the market went up. So there we go, a genuine, never crashed.
Not in my ownership.
That's all that counts. So there we go. And wonderful. Thanks for watching. YouTube's most boring car channel.